So what you do here is actually you do a image and then there's a filter. You do a two-dimensional convolution, right, across U and V. I mean, you shift the pixel at every. I mean, this is the H ij comma. Do you operate this filter on this as a kind of a convolution operation, right? So you get a new block. So you get a I dash U comma V because by doing this convolution operation. So it essentially goes from minus infinity to plus infinity, but however it is limited. There is no cannot go from infinity because there is a limited number of pixels. Either we have 3 by 3 or 7 by 7 or 5 by 5 and things like that. So you can also extend to infinity, but you can call them as zeros. You can do a convolution operation. So this convolution operation is basically, I mean, you can do it both ways. You can take an image, do a convolution on H, and then bring the always equal to this way. So you can also have linearity property, associative property associated with these pixels. All right. So I think what happened? Okay. So I think maybe this convolution operation also you can try doing with multiple filters. You can try doing with your MATLAB programming, which will be very interesting to do. Any array processing it will be interesting to all the students. So I think with this, I will probably stop here. If there are any questions, I'll be able to answer. And anything related to the portions that are not covered now also can be asked. Any relevant question. If some of you are listening to me, I'll be happy to answer to your questions.
Sir, it would be nice if you could throw light on what is the current research activity going on in image processing and some of the softwares which can be used for getting a feel of image processing and for simulation, sir.
See, now this current research is actually into use of deep learning models into, for example, imaging field, right? Deep learning applications, for example. Now, what the kind of research work I do generally, I'll tell you, and later, what is going on. And so I apply, image processing for fundamentally on remote sensing images. Okay, I do remote sensing image based processing. One application that I'm trying to do is I'm going to combine image information from two different modalities and bring into one single image so that the image will have maximum information. This is what is called as the image fusion application.